Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to update the contact person name under the quotation in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the quotation module. Here, we have to select the All Quotations menu under the Quotations module. On this page, we have to select the required date range and enter the quote number. Then we have to click the Submit button. Now, the particular quotation detail will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to click the Edit button. In the quotation details page, we have to click the Organization tab. Then we have to click the Edit button in the client. Here, we have to select the contact. Then we have to click the Save Changes button. Now, we have to click the Report button at the top of the screen. Here, we have to select the General Quotation Report. Now, the contact person name will be shown in the General Quotation Report. This is how to update the contact person name under the quotation in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.